In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see activity on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Monday.com account. Simply enter your credentials to gain access. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific project board that you wish to monitor. This is where all the action happens, so ensure you're in the right place. Next, look for the board menu. To find it, direct your attention to the top right corner of your project board. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various options related to your project. From this menu, you want to select the Activity Log option. This is a powerful feature as it opens a comprehensive record of every change, task update, and status adjustment made within that project. You'll have a complete history at your fingertips, allowing you to track developments and contributions effectively. At this point, you might find the log to be quite extensive, so let's make it more manageable. You have the ability to filter the results to help you find specific information quickly. You'll see the Filter Log option available for you to utilize. First, you can filter by action type. This means you can choose to see only specific changes, such as status updates or the creation of new items. This is particularly useful if you're looking for a particular type of activity and don't want to sift through everything. Next, consider filtering by a person. If you're interested in contributions from a specific team member, this option will help you view just their activity. It's a great way to analyze an individual's contributions within a project. Don't forget about the time period filter. This allows you to view activities from today, this week, or even a specific month. It's a handy tool for narrowing down the time frame of the activities you're interested in, making it easier to track progress over specific intervals. Lastly, if you're looking for a very specific event or keyword, make good use of the search function. You'll find a search bar within the activity log. This search feature allows you to pinpoint an entry without needing to scroll through the entire log, saving you time and effort. In summary, by logging into your Monday.com account, selecting your project board, using the board menu to access the activity log, and employing the various filters, you can effectively monitor the activity happening within your projects. Whether you're checking the status updates, reviewing team contributions, or analyzing project timelines, these tools make it straightforward. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to see activity on Monday.com. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.